So this is the Hollyland A1 and it's a super compact budget mic for smartphone creators. Let's see what comes in the box. So first, it has a user manual, a charging case for the mics, a carrying pouch to store the mic and other accessories like the charging cable, and 2 windscreens for windy recording days. And in the case, you get 2 mics and a transmitter. And you can either get the Type-C transmitter or Lightning. But there's also a combo deal where you get both Type-C and Lightning, meaning that you can use it on old iPhones or current gen smartphones that use Type-C. So to set this up, just plug in the receiver into your smartphone and take out one of the mics and it automatically connects to the receiver. When it comes to the audio quality, well, I'll be using it to record all the audio you'll be hearing in this video. This mic also has noise cancellation and it's actually really good. So here is a sound test for that. So this is a sound test for the Hollyland A1 with noise cancellation turned off. Now, this is the mic with noise cancellation turned on. And even if I turn on a fan, you won't still hear it that much. Let me turn it back off. Now you should be able to hear the fans right now. Especially now. Turn it back on. And it's gone. So the mic and the transmitter have physical buttons on them. One press on the mic turns on noise cancellation and turns off, while double pressing it means that the mic is on mute. Right now, it's working. Double press. Now it's turned on, meaning that it's green. But if the noise cancellation is turned off, then it will show a blue light. And the cool feature of this microphone is that it has an app that you can connect to and change many settings in it to suit your needs. But the most insane feature about this mic is that it has a range of 200 meters, meaning that it can span close to the size of a football field and you still get clear sounding audio. And if your smartphone is low, the transmitter has a Type-C ports at the side, meaning that you can plug in your smartphone while getting high quality audio. So people that I think should get this mic are people who are smartphone creators as you can't connect this to a dedicated camera as it doesn't have a 3.5mm audio jack. Thanks for watching. See you next one.